ladies and gentlemen, wherever you are on planet Earth. In today's presentation, I am working on quadratic formula. And then this is my quadratic formula that is here. And then I am going to solve this quadratic equation. So number one, let me highlight mistakes that are made by learners in examinations. Number one is this division line here. So please make it a point that this division line, it starts right from minus b up to the last number. If you leave it halfway, you drop a mark. And then I'm done with the division line. Now let me move on to this radical. As well, this radical, ladies and gentlemen, right, it must not stop here like some learners, they'll end it there. Please, if you do this, you drop marks. Your radical must run up to the last number like that. Then that is correct. Then from here now, I'm moving on to find the numerical values of a, b, c. So a is the coefficient of x squared. So meaning here a will be equal to 3. And then b will be equal to minus 1. And then c will be equal to minus 2. Please make it a point that when you are picking a number, pick it with the attached sign. That's the common mistake. Don't pick the number without the attached sign. And then after that is the substitution. Then here I've got minus b. And then here minus b. So can you see b is minus 1. So this is the common error again that is made by learners. They will write here minus 1, of which is wrong. Why? I've got this negative for the formula and this negative 1. So it must actually be like this. Negative for the formula, and then the number for b is minus 1. Then this will be plus or minus b squared. So this will be minus 1. Again, learners have a tendency to write like that. Please, this is a common error. Why? Simply because this must be raised to the power of minus 2. Minus 1 must also be raised to that. So this will be minus 4. A times 3. And then c times minus 2. And then this is all over 2 times 3. And then we've done now with the substitution. Then the next part is to simplify. So a negative and a negative, they'll give us a positive. And then plus or minus here, the square root of. Right, so this will be 1. A negative and a negative here, it will give us a positive. So plus 24 here, right, all over 2 times 3, which is 6. So your radical must come up to here. And your negative sign must accommodate the first number up to this last number. And then from here now we are saying 1 plus 24, we get it 25. And the square root of 25 is what? Is 5. So this will be 1 plus or minus the square root of 5 over 6. So from here, then I get my two answers. So it will be 1 plus 5. We get 6 over 6. Or 1 minus 5, which is minus 4 over 6. And then I reduce this to the lowest terms. So it will be minus 2 over 3, and then I come here, I divide, then I get 1. So this will be my answer, minus 2 over 3. Please, here, don't leave your answer, don't write your answer like this. Or let me say, don't leave your answer like this. Alright, this negative here must be in the numerator. That's the agreement. That's the agreement. So don't leave your answer like this. So having said this, please, this is how we use the quadratic formula. But once they say solve it to 2 decimal places, so please straight away use the quadratic formula. Don't use any other method once they say solve a quadratic equation to a number of decimal places, because it means it cannot be factorized. So straight away you've got to use this formula. Please, I need to thank you. Like and subscribe for greater things that are coming. I thank you.